Aniseed oil is a potent antiseptic that effectively treats skin issues like rashes, blemishes, acne, and pimples by acting as a natural skin emollient. Inflammation, a common cause of various ailments, can also affect the skin. It can lead to redness, swelling, pimples, itching, or burning sensations. Cod liver oil, due to its anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce these symptoms, as it can help combat the immune system's compromised response. Bitter gourd is a rich source of vitamin A and C antioxidants, which prevent skin aging, diminish wrinkles, reduce pimples, and protect against UV rays, promoting skin glow and preventing acne. Cinnamon is a potent ingredient with antiseptic properties, making it an effective treatment for acne, pimples, and blackheads. It kills bacteria, reduces pimple size, and unclogs pores, promoting quick healing. Its antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties make it an ideal solution for acne-free skin. Stress and other factors can cause skin problems due to imbalances in our natural wool production. Overproduction can lead to pimples, while underproduction can result in dry skin. Chickpeas, acting as a natural pH balancer, help regulate this oil production and promote skin health. Ajwain effectively treats pimple scars and marks, promoting a fresher, clearer appearance by eliminating scars and removing acne and pimple marks from the skin. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate swelling, puffiness, and reduce the size of inflamed pimples or eye bags. Amla, a natural blood purifier, effectively controls acne by preventing bacteria formation, promoting clearer skin, and treating acne, pimples, and other skin conditions. Barley's anti-inflammatory properties, derived from its azelaic acid, effectively combat acne, pimples, breakouts, and infections. Regular consumption of barley water and application can significantly improve skin health.